known as Phoeniculum vulgare. Vulgare means actually very common. It is a regular annual crop cultivated throughout India. The plant is about a meter in height with glaucous green bluish stem. All other members of this family, they have stems.
हेलो हाँ नमस्ते चलो
With glaucous greenish blue stems. In all other members of this family, the stem is with distinct ridges, lines over the surface. But this stem is without such line, it is smooth. The leaves are finely dissected. Very, very small segments are there. And at the tips of the branches are produced umbrella-like clusters of flowers. The flowers are very small, bluish green in color, sometimes even yellowish green in color, and they produce clusters of soap. And this soap is available in the market even in the unripe state, in the fresh form. In Bombay market, Mumbai market, it is more common, more familiar. Even in Pune, we get it sometimes. The fruits are, these are the fruits. Soap is fruit. The fruit is elongated. It is with vertical lines running across the length. The color is greenish or brownish green, and it has got significant aroma, specific aroma. The fruits are used as condiment, particularly in bakery items it is used, in cakes, also in biscuits. Particularly it is used as ingredient of pan, betel leaf, then with areca nut, then some coconut, the tender coconut, kath, tuna, that is the pan preparation. And in that, the soap is one of the ingredients. But it can be used only fruit as the masticatory material for after lunch for the aroma, specific aroma. In medicine, it is used as appetizer, also as thirst quencher. If you feel very, very thirsty, then you put some soap in water and consume that water only, not the fruits. It is used in correcting flatulence. Many times there are gases in the stomach. That is called flatulence. To overcome that flatulence, generally we pan or soap is generally choose after lunch, that is to aid in the digestion process. Actually all the ingredients what we use in food also, the spices and condiments, they are also of the same kind. It is claimed that to some extent the fruits have anthelmintic property, means they kill the worms in the stomach. That is why I am saying all the while, all the ingredients they are used also as medicine. So that is about the soap.